Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying the battery pack has fuel. Check the LED or percentage. Next, connect a certified Lightning cable to the pack and to your iPhone's port. This prevents slow charging or errors. Once connected, unlock your phone and allow charging to begin. Watch the battery icon for the lightning bolt. While it charges, make sure you've closed background apps and reduced screen brightness so energy flows into the battery faster and more efficiently. Once charging has started, monitor both percentage and temperature because heat reduces efficiency and can throttle charge speed. If your iPhone gets warm, remove cases and pause charging until it cools. To maximize the pack's output, enable low power mode. This reduces background drain and raises net charge to the battery. If you notice very slow current, switch to a different cable or pack port, or briefly toggle airplane mode to reduce network-related draw and speed recovery. You should disconnect when the phone reaches your target, ideally 80–90% for long-term battery health or 100% if needed immediately, then power off the pack. Make sure to store the pack in a cool place with about 40–60% charge to preserve capacity. If charging fails, first test the cable and port for lint or damage, restart your iPhone, and try another pack. These steps catch the usual faults quickly and get you back to full power.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.